ladies and gentlemen, family and friends. This is me, SPC Roblox Lover 143, back with the weather, broadcasting off a WXL 50 Public Warning System tower in St. Paul, North Carolina. So let's first tell you about the weather now. So let's go ahead and show you the radar here. It's playing right now. So as you can see, we got a front. It's now forming. You know I told you that in the last video, but the front is now forming. It's a little bit, it's doing good right now, but as you can see up there, there's a little snow. Up at the behind it, you see there's snow right there. That snow will slowly go to this front right here. So let's go ahead and go to our viewing area. So in Southeast North Carolina, if it loads right, but that's all right. But in Southeast North Carolina, it's clear. I don't know the temperatures, but it's clear. There's just a little snow showers forming off the coast of eastern North Carolina. It's all good, but nothing bad. In St. Paul's, it's clear. If anyone's watching in Wilmington, it's also clear. I don't know the temperature like I said, but let's go tell you more about the weather. Let's go tell you more about the weather. So as you can see, we're talking about that front like I said right there. See, that front. As you can see, that winter storm is gone from North Carolina. There is a low pressure forming right there. It's also going to come a part of the low pressure, which that's the low pressure formed right there. But if we go click the arrow, as you can see, it gets bigger. Like I said about the snow right there, do you see that? There's snow and it's coming east. Just like that in Canada. Let's go forward. As you can see, we're starting to do them. You're starting to see the main thing right here. All these areas and that, you're seeing it. There's snow behind it, but the main problem is right here, the ice. You're going to have that right there is ice. So that's going to be impacting a state above Arkansas. It might be Louisiana. But yeah, as you can see, let's click another arrow. That ice is got bigger. The snow is increasing. Nothing new about that. As you can see, let's show you here. That is now a problem. That is fully a problem. You saw there ain't no snow there because it's all east now. It's moving along this. And in these green patches, you're also seeing severe weather too, like tornadoes and severe thunderstorms. And in these snowstorms, I will show you the watches, warning, and advisories later, but in these snowstorms, we might have blizzard conditions. So, I don't know yet, but yeah. As you can see, that's gone now. So, but people in Texas, Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, in New Mexico is getting snow, all snow. And also, this is a first right here. Mexico, you're getting a little snow. So that's a first for y'all. And that ice storm, there's the ice right there. It's getting worse and worse. It's moving north to east. So you see that right there, that dark blue, that might lead to blizzards. So watch out for that. And as you can see, that right there is a problem. And that is a problem. So as you can see, let's talk about this first. So right here is a big old ice storm. A big old good looking ice storm. And what about this ice storm? It's bigger than that. So those areas are still seeing snow. But the Great Lakes are getting the lake effect snow machines turned on. So whoever's in them areas, y'all need to go get the milk and bread. And now you see that's got even more bigger. in Central Texas, you're going to be the main one impacted by that bad boy right there. And let's talk about this like I didn't talk about that. That leads to very damaging severe thunderstorms. Now, as you can see, there's dark red. You guys can see right there the weather stuff right there. But right there, it's now going into Oklahoma. You're also getting a problem, so y'all need to get the milk and bread. So, that right there, and that, you're getting snow and rain, severe thunderstorms. And as you can see right here, this ice is going into Arkansas now. Ice! You see that? Ice! Arkansas needs to go get their milk and bread too. But also, let's show you this. We're getting a lot of ice here. Got a lot of severe thunderstorms, which that's not good for people. But as you can see, let's give y'all an update on the snow here. It is now it's fully vertical. It's like a mountain of snow. This is how bad this front is. Let's go forward. Now that is the problem right there. That's some extreme weather. So, as you can see right here, let's talk about the ice. It's getting damaging now. It's already damaging. So, and, oh no, I just clicked that. That's alright. Let's go do that. Oh yes, guys, look at this. The snow is finally getting, oh, let me talk about this. Now that's some blizzard conditions. I don't know yet, but that is blizzard conditions right there. Let's talk about this. This is now what you call a severe weather front. That's what you call a severe weather front. Y'all need to be prepared for tornadoes and possibly damaging winds. So, as you can see, let's move it off. Don't worry about the snow because that blizzard stuff is going all the way to the east. It's not the main damaging stuff. It isn't the main priority stuff. But, let's show you here. Y'all see, if anyone lives in the Carolinas here, y'all better be prepared for damaging winds and tornadoes. Because do you see that right there? That's coming straight for you. Now let's show you. The snow is finally going offshore if you're in the snow area. But Mexico's still getting a little snow. How is that? It's probably because they've got 30-degree weather. But North Carolina is getting hammered now. As you can see, I live in southeast North Carolina, and I'm definitely getting impacted by this. So, and up here in, off the coast of the northeast, y'all might see some water spouts. If y'all don't know what water spouts are, this is what they are. Water spouts are tornadoes that forms into the ocean and possibly go on land. So that's mostly it for that. Well, and now it's all going offshore, so now we don't have to worry about that. And now we might have another front coming. So let's show y'all the watches, warning, and advisories. So currently right now, you see that big pink blob right there? Whatever I would call it, a big pink blob. Well, that is a big winter storm warning. Right there is a blizzard warning. Y'all don't want to be in that. So whoever's in that, y'all need to go get that milk and bread. So, right here in that blue is a winter weather advisory. Nothing much with that. You might get 3 inches of snow. But right there is a special weather statement. But let's see the watches, warning, and advisories from North Carolina here. Nothing much off here of Wilmington, NC. But we got a little small craft advisories for the coast. So yeah, one last look at the radar before we go. So that's what it looks like right now in here. in Wilmington, North Carolina from the National Weather Service. But this is what it looks like in the whole area. So just going to give y'all some time to look at that. So, yeah, just pause to look at that. So, yeah, this is going to be me signing out. So, yeah, bye. So, yeah, I just forgot, but let me tell y'all the observations right now. So, the current time is the current time is 4:43 p.m., so that's the perfect time. Tell y'all the weather here. Let me tell y'all the observations. At Robinson, it is clear, like you can see. At Bladen, it's clear. At Wilmington, or New Hanover, it's clear. At Whiteville, or whatever you call it, Columbus, it's clear. And let's show y'all a little stuff around South Carolina. At Myrtle Beach, it's also clear, which that's a good thing. At the coast, there's rain right there. As you can see, there's rain. But right down at North Myrtle Beach, it's clear, which that's good. At Myrtle Beach right there, it's clear, which that's what you want to see. But I don't know if you guys see this, but that white stuff right there, that's what is still left from the snow. So you see, you still got snow in Myrtle Beach here, near Florence, and you got a little bit near Davidson, just a little bit right there, and especially right here in Anson County, we got a whole bunch of snow. Right here in Harnett County, gotta tell y'all, we got snow in Harnett County a little bit. So, let's show y'all. So yeah, that might be it. This is the National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Built as a system will work in any given location. This durability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will work even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following station in WXL 50 and the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Harnett, Hogue, Moore, Duplin, Robeson, Sampson, and Scotland and in South Carolina, Marlborough and Dillon counties. This has been a test on NOAA All Hazards Radio. We now resume normal program schedule.